Hey everyone, it's Austin over at Mud Source 800. I'm waiting on a battery for this guy here. So today I am going to be installing the Night Sure 4 actuator. So I will be going from this to this, and I'm just kind of showing how it works. So this manual mechanism replaces the electronic actuator, and basically this ball goes into that little groove, which then connects to the lever over here, which gives you your options for 2x, 4-wheel drive, and Diff Lock. So it should be a more solid connection and reliable connection, as it's not based on electronics, which with me playing in the mud and water don't usually do so well. So here's a bit of kind of like how it works, and I will do a bit of an install too. Cheers everybody. So here's the Night Sure 4 actuator, and here's the mechanical workings of it. So this here goes through a hole on the side, not on this side, and then basically the little ball goes in that little groove, and then simply just tighten that down. There's a little O-ring in here that makes it watertight. And then basically the lever, you just pull it. It might be a bit hard to, because it's not actually installed yet, but it's supposed to. There's a little bit of movement there, so you can kind of get the gist of what happens. Before you install the actual actuator, there's a O-ring that is supplied that just gets stretched around here to give a good seal into the actual diff. Otherwise it ends up being a little loose compared to the OEM one. So I think that's just what they did this O-ring for. So the actuator gets mounted there. You feed the wire up however you please, and then you kind of pick a spot, kind of maybe out of the way sort of, and maybe where the best spot is for when you're riding. So this is kind of where I'm thinking here. And the way to mark that out, you pop this guy off, that cover, and then just take a Sharpie or something like that and mark all your holes and drill those out. Now that you have your holes drilled out, you just thread the cable through, and then it just threads into this backing plate here. It actually has a lever on it. So now once you're at that stage, basically you line up the holes and then you could attach the actual cover plate onto it. Now once you have the cover on and everything is tightened down and adjusted, to adjust the Night Sure 4 actuator, that metal nut, you just spin that, and that changes the piece inside the actual actuator. It kind of moves the cable, which makes it easier to be able to shift it. It's just simple as pulling up the lever here, wheel drive, 2-wheel drive. Works pretty good. Thank you, Night ATV.